Hey friends, if you wish to stop the mouse wheel from controlling the volume button from volume, then please watch this video. Now, yes, this mouse wheel does control volume, the scroll wheel. If you don't want it to happen, although it doesn't matter if you just have to stop scrolling. But if you don't want that to happen, then here's the thing. In most new mouses, okay, there is something called as a tiny media or a DPI button. I have it on my mouse as well. Okay, if you press it for 3 to 5 seconds, it will send it back to the scrolling action from the volume control action. But yes, in some mouses we have this feature that when you press it, because you can press the scroll wheel, okay, so when you press the scroll wheel, it will change the function, and in for media players it will be the volume function. But if you don't want that to happen, then just as it happens in my mouse, as you can see, once I have pressed it, it will uh, activate that function, and to deactivate it, just long press it once again and it's gone. So this is how you can do it. Or press the left or right click once, it will be gone. This answer has been accredited by 471 people, which is a quite a large number for Microsoft Answers Forum, because everyone is not logged in here. So this should be helpful. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.